Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to register LG refrigerator warranty in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on lg.com/support/product support and product registration. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on the product registration page. Now, when you are here, you just have to click on the button that says register as a member. Afterwards, you will be landed on the sign up page where you can choose any of these methods in order to sign up or create your account. So once your account is created successfully, you just have to click on the option of go to my products. Then it is going to show you the list of products that you have purchased. If you don't find any of the products in your account section, you just have to simply enter your refrigerator's product information by providing its model number, serial number, purchase date, and the dealer and the seller's information. Now you may also be asked to provide or upload the proof of purchase. So it should clearly show the purchase date, the retailer's name, and the product model. Afterwards, simply review your entered details carefully and then submit your registration. Now, once your registration is successful, your refrigerator will appear in your My LG dashboard for future support. So that's how you can register it. Now, if your refrigerator is Wi-Fi enabled, the LG ThinkQ application can simplify the registration process for you. So you can also register via that as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.